Make a great choice today with the 2024 Maverick. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, rear step bumper, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, bed liner, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find Sirius XM radio, navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, adaptive cruise control, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.